Good morning po.
Ulit ako.
Sir Alex, andyan na rin po.
Bago ang destination, current location muna. Hindi gagana ang Waze. Place. It may seem na yung session natin will just be quality time. The quality time, pilit nila makalaga yung kanilang ginagawa kapag sila see that girl, watch that scene.
Mula sa mundo ng makagham, narito sa inyong harapan ang Delegate ng Science Park, Marian Venus Ramos, 26 from Science Department 9. At naniniwala ko sa kasabihan, hindi lahat ng guwapo at magaganda nag-aartista. Ang iba, nag-science teacher na! Pero bakit sinabi mo? Paano kasalanan ko? Sorry, ma'am.
Sino man?
Ilan po kayo? Ito po kayo. Okay, 11 po sila. Thank you so much po. Anong pelikula po pala yun? Anong camera, action.
Bakit kailangan mo ako? Or do you need me? Dahil mag mo ako. fully na lang, pero yung thought is, curriculum framework, enhancing, enriching, learning, literacy, numeracy, assessment, integration.
Okay. Magaling talaga si Piolo, no?
What's the best thing that you learned from yesterday's session? Dahil Filipino major po ako, i-incorporate ko yung Filipino or language subjects dito sa natutunan namin. Natutuhan pala kahapon. Kahapon po natutuhan namin na sa Filipino pala, kaya i-integrate or i-utilize numeracy, literacy at sa mga competencies na meron kami. So, medyo madali lang pala siyang i-integrate pero matrabaho. Yun po. Thank you so much.
Thank you po, Miss Catherine. Salamat po, nandito ka, Mike. Busy ka sa iyong bagong pelikula. Next po ay si... Siyempre, yung mas... Okay. Kay Catherine, saan siya natuto? What difficulty did you encounter from yesterday's session?
Naman kasi ng TNT o TPL, so normally naman kasi kaya i-integrate ang numeracy at literacy. Siguro sa ibang specialization, siguro sa ibang subject.
And last po, para sa ating President Nadine Lustre. Okay. Okay, good morning everyone. This is Nadine Munoz. What was the one big mistake that you did in your life and what? Joke lang po, hindi yan. Ito po. Ito ba? Joke lang yun. Ayan.
Okay. Did you slay on doing the activity yesterday? Yes, of course. Yesterday, when the civil night was presented to us, we are all shocked, di ba? Ay, bago naman siya. But as the resource speakers, unti-unti, they chop each of the parts of the civil night. Unti-unti din, nung dulo, nagkaroon tayo ng conclusion, madali pala siya. Kailangan lang talaga ng time. So, para sa akin, hindi lang ako, but all of us slayed the activity yesterday. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Nadine. Dahil dyan, sa iyong magandang paliwanag, meron kang mic drop. At thank you po sa ating mga artista. Isasarado ko na po ang cortina. Ayan.
Hindi kayo yan, kaya mukhang ka. Ayan. Pa-picture na yung dalawa.
Naglulungot ako ng papel, ikaw.
Naglalagay ako ng perang sa kamay, ikaw.
Sinunasa ko yung kamay ko, ikaw.
Naglalagay ako ng lotion, ikaw.
Pinatanggal mo yung lotion, ikaw.
Naglalagay ako ng langis, ikaw. Kaya tanggal ko na kami.
Naglalagay ako ng langis, ikaw. Naulit ka.
Ang racket, ikaw.
Pinapalakas ko lang mga kampi ko, ikaw.
Sumasayaw ako, ikaw.
Nag-iisip ako ng gagawin ko mamaya, ikaw.
Nagkukat ko na kami, ikaw.
Sumasakta ako, tapos sinasayawan ko ng aking kamay.
Oo, gusto ko ng pinggan gamit sa kamay, ikaw.
Pagkakain ako ng kilikili kasi kumaho, ikaw.
Nasisipa ako, ikaw.
Nag-alaga ako ng baby, ikaw.
Yan, dami premyo.
Muwang-muwang. Hindi ko talaga naisip na itong inaalay ninyo this morning. Wala tayong Question number 1. How do you feel this morning, candidate number 1? Alright, question number 1. What was the gist of yesterday's discussion?
It's all about, I believe, our discussion yesterday is all about the less construction and the assessment pool fee.
Yan! Yay! Thank you! Alright, nag-review! Thank you so much, candidate number 1 from grade 9. And now let's have candidate number 2 from grade 10. Ayan na. Okay, question number 2. What was your favorite topic yesterday? Mahirap ba yun?
I believe my favorite topic was the one discussed by Sir Norman.
And that is?
That is about writing techniques of constructing assessment, and then yung in the afternoon effective assessment.
Okay, thank you, candidate number 2. Punta tayo dito sa kabila. Let's have candidates. Grabe ang chat ng grade 11. Good morning, Miss Candidate number 6. Good morning po. Question number 3. Can you give some writing techniques mentioned by candidate number 2?
Okay, I will be able to, pwede ko bang Tagalog?
Yes.
Para maging epektibo po ang pagsusulat natin ng ating mga assessment, I believe dapat po ay pasensya na po kayo, Tagalog talaga ang kaya.
Oh, jeez, huwag kayong magluluto. Wait lang.
I believe po dapat ay magkakaugnay ang competencies doon sa ating question stem, at dapat po ay dahil kahapon ay maraming mga medyo nag-revise ang kanilang mga question stem na ginawa dahil doon sa ating competencies na dapat naka-align po siya doon kay Sir Randy Basister po. And doon din po kay Sir Norman kahapon yung natutuhan namin na dapat hindi tayo basta-basta lamang gumagawa ng ating mga questionnaires or ng ating exam. Dapat po ay binibigyan natin ng importansya yung options and yung questions, and dapat swak siya doon sa ating learning competencies.
Thank you so much, candidate. Okay, as mentioned by candidate number 6, do you have any negative thoughts about these connections and alignment with the discussion yesterday?
I do believe that everyone has
I do believe that.
negative thoughts or any
Setbacks?
setbacks regarding the lesson or lecture yesterday, because it is a privilege for us, math, science, and English teachers to be able to attend the HATS PLP seminar previously done last July, which led us to have a sort of prior knowledge on how to construct the questions related to the Sipang 9.
Okay, and thank you.
Our obligation to embrace the changes that is DepEd is always giving to us. Lagi na lang bago-bago, hindi pa natin magawa. Salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 4. And for the last one, do you agree with candidate number 4's answer?
So, thank you. So, I do believe, kalahati siguro na, but as a teacher, so sabi nga Mr. Speaker, when everything is uncertain, so everything is possible. So for me, Civil 9 will not only an obligation
pleasure for us, but also a privilege, as Sir said, and also a bridge to us para maging aware tayo kung tama ba yung mga questions and the answer, yung mga options ko, at hindi natin during exam.
Once again, our candidates for PTM Miss Universe 2024. Thank you po, thank you.
Matagal na pong na-post ng last na naman. Hindi ka naman ganun Jesus eh.
Puso, wala ka na magagawa kundi sundin ito. Kapag tumibok ang puso, lagot ka na, sigurado huli ka. Grade 11, 20.
Let us give wonderful clap to art department. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, wonderful.
Do like our part as a teacher is to lift up the lives of our students. Through Sipang 9, we can increase their ability, their
Amin. Merong Filipino, nire-represent niya yung Pilipinas. Tapos kung nakapansin nyo, may book po dito. Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Ayan po. So meron po dito books, syempre nagre-represent yan ang ating education dito sa educational system dito sa Philippines. Yung MacBook, nagre-represent naman po ito na yung pag-a-apply natin o yung paggamit natin ng technology sa pagtuturo po natin. Kung makikita nyo, meron po dito mga malalaking kamay. Tayo po yan mga teachers. So kailangan po natin, gaya po ng paulit-ulit natin sinasabi, andito na to, yung mga single line na yan, andyan na yung mga solo na yan. Ang kailangan na lang po natin ay yakapin ito, embrace natin, kasi ano man ang mangyari, susunod at susunod pa rin tayo. Okay,
Magagaling na to mag-edit ng picture.
generate letters in the AI. The other thing that I want to show you is now if you can sketch something basic inside the story and then you can do automatic firefly to actually make that into a really ability.
Ano nagawa mo? Wow! Pilipino! Wala ka sa ginawa ni Sir Elmer. Nakabig...
And what you can do that if you see we have something that says
Sir Polly, oh.
na pwede kong ilagay. So, kung makikita na pwede po natin baguhin yung kulay ng bawat isa dito. Also, meron din tayo mga art people na pwede nyo i-apply. Aside from the usual animations na alam po niyo, so merong arrive, yun yung itsura na, di ba ang cute, table, tingnan lang natin sa isa, swing, at ito yung ginamit ko. Jump and turn. Meron din, yan. So, scroll na lang po natin yan because it's so fun to use. Okay, ngayon, what I did with this as click, join, create team, and choose this one, create a team. You have here 4 options, but because we want to so put description dito sa ating team. Pwede natin ilagay, this girl is exclusive to
Last day na natin.
for Masik-Masik students.
Nasaan na tayo? Microsoft Office. May Canva naman. Ayan. Pinarienta si Sir
Ang bahala kung ano mang pag-description na ang gusto mong ilagay. Pwede rin mga ano, parang description. Kung sa group is exclusive to grade 4, Masik-Masik. Okay, I'm happy with that. Next, start creating the team.